Okay, class. First, let's practice lining up quickly and quietly so you'll be able to hear my instructions. Everybody up. Don't take anything with you.
This is so great! Fire drill. Yeah, fire drill.
Stop, drop, and roll. Good. Stop, drop, and roll.
Hey, this is fun. What's it for? It's for when your clothes catches on fire.
Wait a minute. I'm gonna be on fire? When am I gonna be on fire?
Fire drill, fire drill, fire
Stop,
drill, fire
drop,
drill.
and roll. Very good.
Miss Morgan, there's some stuff about this fire drill I'd like to get cleared up.
Don't worry, DW. We're going to talk about fire safety all week. All your questions will be answered.
DW? DW?
Huh?
I said, do you want lemonade?
Yeah, sure.
Hey! DW?
Arthur, be careful.
She keeps moving, so I'll spill it and be wet.
I didn't do anything.
Smoke detector!
I think it's coming from DW's room.
I don't smell smoke. Do you smell smoke?
Now it's coming from downstairs.
What?
DW, what are you doing?
I couldn't sleep, so I'm testing the smoke detectors. The ones in my room and the kitchen work good.
That's not a game, DW. Now come on, honey, back to bed.
What's happening?
Go back to sleep.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to be helpful.
I know. Go to sleep now.
Fire drill, fire drill, fire
Phew. Mommy, I don't feel good. I don't want to go to school today.
Mom, she's faking it.
She was up all night with the smoke alarms. She can stay home if she needs to.
What about me? I was up from the smoke alarms, too. Guess I can't go to school either.
Don't you have a math test today?
Yeah, but... Oh, all right.
Good luck on your test.